Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a, excuse me, this customer has requested that his 8-track be converted for use with a modern radio, which means we strip out all the old electronics, we go back in with my bright sounding preamp, and these controls no longer have any effect because all your volume, tone, and balance control will be done at the radio, and the only thing that still works on this would be the track change button and the eject button. And then for a little bit of isolation, I've repurposed this switch here. To use the aux input, you want to flip this over to the left, and then that way it'll just pass whatever you've got plugged into the aux input. It'll pass that onto your radio. In that manner, you don't lose your aux input just because it's got an 8-track going to it. So, and then of course to use the tape function, you just flip the switch over to tape, and Bob's your uncle. So let's go ahead and pop a tape in and make sure that this thing works before we send her back. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Look at our speaker outputs. Okay, switch tracks a bunch of times. I'm gonna take a chance. When you hold my hand, I'm a praise to my friend. Hit the eject and the tape comes out, and that concludes the test. It's a pretty quick test. I really like this unit, this model. I like the track change indicator that moves across. I really like this front panel head adjustment. If your head's a little bit out of alignment, you can correct that, and so that takes care of that. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and my website is in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because I'm just not going to be able to remember my entire catalog of services and all my safety precautions during a phone call. So you have to visit my website first, and then you're welcome to call me with any questions that are not answered on my website or in the work order that I require you to look at also. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Ed, for your business all the way from Massachusetts, and we'll see you guys next time.